Number 4, it says, which ordered pairs below are solutions to the equation y equals 5x minus 1? Solutions means when I plug them in, they make the equation true. Okay? It's like points you would pick for a t-chart. Which points you pick x to be this, and then y comes out to be this. Oh, that's a point that's there. That's a solution. So all I have to do is plug x, that 1 right there, into the x value, and the 8 right into the y value, and say, see, is this true? So if I do that, I plug y as 8, 5 times the x value of 1 minus 1. Is that true? 5 times, no, that's not going to be true. Not happening, because that's 5 minus 1, which is 4, and 8 does not equal 4. So I now plug in 14 to the y, equaling 5 times the x value of 3, take away 1. That is true, yes, because 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. That works. Plugging in negative 1 for the y, 5 times the x of 0 minus 1. That's a 0, and 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So yes, C also works. And what about D? We plug in 33 for the y, 5 for the x. No, 25 minus 1 is not. No, so it's B and C. All right. Again, all I'm going to do is plug in the x and the y and see, is it true? So 2 times the x is a 2, plus 3 times the y is a 1. Does that equal 6? That'll be 4 plus 3. That's 7. Doesn't work. So 2 times the x of 0 plus 3 times the y of 2. Does that equal 6? Well, this is 0. And 0, it's 6. 0 plus 6, 6. Yes. The next one, 2 times the x of 3 plus 3 times the y of 0. Does that equal 6? Well, this is 0. And 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 0. Yes, that works too. And finally, 2 times the x of 4 plus 3 times the, I messed up. That's what happens when you go too quickly. Notice what I did is I plugged the y into the x. I plugged that 4 in there. Bad me. The x is a negative 3. And again, that's what happens when you try moving too quickly. 3 times the y of 4 equals 6. So I get negative 6 plus 12. Does that equal? Wow, it does. This guy does work. I'm glad I paid attention, or I would have missed that one. And the final here, 6 for solutions. We're going to plug in 7, 4. Does 7 minus 4 equal 2? Because x is 7, so I plugged it right there. Y is 4, so I plugged it right there. No. All right, does 1 minus negative 1 equal 2? Well, minus and negative changes to plus. Yes. What about x being 9, y being 5? Does that equal 2? No. And then finally, x is 6, y is 4. Just plugging it up top to the equation right here, and yes, that works. So it's B and D as the solutions for number 6.